Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. Peace and blessings during these holy 10 days and leading to these very, very special 3 days. I wanted to just speak a moment about circumambulation, which we'll be talking about in our upcoming event. And remember that each round or circumambulation of the Kaaba is a very significant thing. The Kaaba represents in the inner worlds the mystical nature of the Gnostic heart. So the Kaaba is where we say the house of Allah is built on the planet. The house of Allah is also built in the hearts of the true Gnostics, the complete Gnostics. And the circumambulation represents the movement of purification that happens so that that heart can be opened and purified. So each of the 7 circumambulations represents one of the great 7 stations: station of the self, the station of the heart, station of the soul, the secret, the station of the hidden and the most hidden, and of course the final station of the complete absorption into divine reality itself. So these stations will be discussed during this event, but this is the significance, the deep inner significance of these circumambulations. So please join us as we help guide you through them so that you can have the experience of them, understand what they are, and be able to use them, these circumambulations, to be able to purify your own heart so that you can awaken that Gnostic heart within yourself. Assalamu alaikum everyone, peace and blessings.